In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop syncing Google Drive with Pipedrive. If you've connected your Google Drive to Pipedrive in the past for file storage or document management, but you no longer want those two accounts linked, the process to disconnect them is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your Pipedrive account in your web browser. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile area there. This might be your initials, your profile picture, or an icon that represents your account. Click on that name or icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see several options related to your account. What you're looking for is the section called Personal Preferences. Go ahead and click on Personal Preferences. This will take you to a page where you can manage settings that apply just to your user profile, including integrations like Google Drive. Once the Personal Preferences page opens, look at the options available in the left-hand side or across the top, depending on how your layout appears. Find and select the option labeled Google Drive. This is the area where Pipedrive manages your connection to Google Drive and controls how files are synced between the two services. After you click Google Drive, you'll see information about your current connection. Since Google Drive is already linked, there should be a button that says Stop Syncing. This is the main control you'll use to disconnect the integration. When you're ready, click the Stop Syncing button once. As a safety measure, Pipedrive will show a confirmation pop-up. This is to make sure you really intend to stop syncing and don't click it by accident. In this confirmation window, you'll see another option to confirm your choice. Click Stop Syncing again to finalize the disconnection. Once you confirm, Pipedrive will stop syncing files with your Google Drive account. This means new files will no longer be automatically shared or stored between Pipedrive and Google Drive through this integration. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to this same area in Personal Preferences and reconnect Google Drive again. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully stopped syncing Google Drive with Pipedrive, giving you more control over where your documents live and how they're managed.